The food ventures of Soai are powered by our patrons. To become a patron, click the patron link in the description box. Thanks, patrons, for helping to write Soai. Alright, this is surprising and not so surprising after I went there, but I'm going to be taking you guys to the #1 rated restaurant based on TripAdvisor out of over 174 restaurants in Negril. And it doesn't even have 4 walls. Trust me guys, these guys threw down when it comes to seafood. Amazing. Oh, and they also have the best jelly coconuts I've ever had. It's pretty easy to sleep out here if you wouldn't really worry about being sunburned. Anyway, I'm gonna go in. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So, linked up with Y again today, and we decided that we're gonna go down to a place called Flag City. We passed it yesterday and she mentioned seeing it on TripAdvisor. It had a 4.8 rating, which means that the food is pretty good. So I'm like, yo, let's go there today and see what the vibe is. Anyhow, we were there, grabbed some jellies a while ago, and it was the sweetest coconut jelly that I've ever had in my life. It was twice as sweet as any average jelly. Anyway, sitting there talking about life or whatever, saw the guy throwing on some rice and peas, fresh on the pot, and I'm like, yo, I definitely have to do a video here, show you guys what is up on the beach. I don't know, whenever it's lobster season, Negril is a place to be, because they're getting the lobsters fresh from the sea and taking it straight to the pot. So yo, let's check it out and see what's going on. Georgia, rice and peas are hot. Right off of the pot?
Yeah man, rice and peas. Fresh lobster.
I know, wow.
Yeah man, Flag City style, you know?
Up.
We have the boat them to find Nemo and Dorian out here.
So what's the chef name? Anybody have the Flag City?
Omar, you have Peter, you have Tajay, aka Magic.
Vibes.
One family, the Coconut Man Tony. One big family, that's how we do it, you know?
Just I make them know that today was the sweetest coconut jelly me ever get in my life.
One there for throw sugar in the coconut. Yeah man, show them what I want.
Jaja, watch out.
Yeah man. On fire now, you know?
Yes, I saw you guess them to just roll in on the boat and everything and just pull up right to the restaurant.
Right to the restaurant. Come see what I want in our fridge. Yeah man, lobster for days, you know?
Vibes.
Yeah man, land crab we have too man.
Oh,
everything
so
there.
Anybody want to try the traditional land crab?
Yeah, they are same way. Not change.
Vibes.
Not change. Land crab they are same way.
Vibes.
Lobster, fish, octopus, conch. Everything there. We have everything. Yeah, like down at town, you know.
So I realize you have a boat and everything. If somebody want to go over like Booby and thing, them can make a trek over there?
Yeah, we take it to the Booby Island. Make them see the island, come on. Over there, you see? Take you out there, find Nemo, do snorkeling. Yeah, take you to the Jack Sparrow Island, or we take you to the West End on the cliff.
Vibes.
Rick's Cafe. Yeah.
Yo, so you wanna go to Rick's Cafe and thing too?
Yeah man, we do diving off the cliff, take you there for a sunset cruise, island picnic, river tour, anything you need. That's how we do it.
Vibes.
That's how we do it, my G.
Alright.
Fresh coconuts to them, them say a sugar in them.
Someone knows, see, because me I brag about the coconut. If somebody come here, so them guarantee to get a sweet coconut that way, like you know them.
Our coconut them different, right, Jabug? Yeah, some different style of coconut. Them I come from Sheffield and we not pick them until they're ready, like them full. Some guy pick the young jelly so it tastes bitter. Oh. Yeah, this is the right thing, is it?
Vibes,
yeah,
vibes.
Yeah, man.
So what me through your sauce you put pan, cause we don't know. This are the chiffon butter?
Yeah, chiffon
Or
butter.
gold stick?
Gold stick, yeah, but chiffon we call it at
Chiffon.
Jamaica over there. But for the rural, gold stick it name. But you don't know, we can't give out too much
Oh,
info.
real talk, real talk.
And the ingredients, you
Real
know?
talk,
Yeah.
real talk, real talk.
So Tony, where the jelly from? Tony will tell you the jelly guy.
Tony, which part of jelly them forward from?
Sheffield.
Sheffield done.
Yeah, for Sheffield.
Vibes.
Place called Sheffield.
Place called Sheffield.
Master do a little thing, you know? Big up the youth, you know?
So if them want lobster, why get lobster served with roast breadfruit, obviously?
Roast breadfruit, rice and peas, or pumpkin rice, garlic toast with the garlic sauce. Yeah man, anything you need, plantain, anything you need, breadfruit, anything, we just keep it traditional, nothing changed, just Jamaica style. We now sell out the culture, you see?
Straight.
Yeah, in
Real
a real
talk.
life.
Up.
Maggie seasoning.
First.
Yeah. So we do it. And the grill and all. Everything natural. Now sell out the culture. Fire hot and ready. Next 10 minutes time, start the change, brother. Yeah man, respect. This is the spot. Fresh Lobster. Flag City.
I have a question. How do you come up with the name Flag City?
You know what I'm saying? I'm a G over there, so village.
Yeah.
Name Tony Montana.
Okay.
Yeah, cause here why we come up with the name now. We always have a lot of flags out here, yeah? So one day we just come up with the idea and say, yo, we just call the place Flag City. We always have flags. You see Brazil, all different flags. So we represent the world, you know? Yeah man, and the 14 parish in Jamaica same way.
Straight.
No change. One family.
I try to look at it from the guy's perspective too, but I don't think it has nothing to. But even last night, wow, this rice and peas is good.
Now, why was expressing some relationship situations when it came on to dating a Jamaican? Now, I myself, I've never dated outside of my culture, but I do understand and I can see where cultural differences will make communication and several other things a little bit more tricky. Anyway, the food was delicious, but you guys can chime in the comments. Let me know if you've ever dated outside of your culture and how difficult or easy was it. Anyway, amazing food. I kind of regret having the conversation now because I could have been focusing so much on the flavors. Ja know that. After another amazing day in the grill, if you're by chance walking during a sunset, it's an experience that you are just forced into. Whether you appreciate them, you love them, or you chase them, you're just automatically drawn to the energy, the captivating, picturesque aurora that is created. Now, yes, the sun sets everywhere else in the world, but everywhere it sets is always a picture of amazement.
Alright, as usual, whenever I come to Negril, I take that drive out to Savlamar because I have to stop at Streetlight Bar and Grill. I mean, it's like a 35-minute drive. You don't know right now, the gas prices, things are pretty expensive, but I do not care. I have to have the roti here because the roti is the best roti I've ever had in my entire life and in the entirety of Jamaica. And have to make sure I have the conch as well, or you know, shrimp or lobster. So I'm gonna start off with some conch. You see me? And having a soup actually as a starter, so that's gonna be the vibe. I've done probably like 2-3 videos, but like again, if you guys come to Savlamar, you go to Negril to go chill out, make sure you take the drive. It's a little bit of drive out, but it is worth it every single time. Yo, as we reach the conch forward, it has that nice crispy exterior, but then chewy interior. It's just so good. And the conch, I ordered 2 servings to start out. Consistent flavor every single time. Alright, so the food here was exceptional as usual, but yo, I want to shout out Braga News Media. So I met the owner of that actual page, and if you guys are interested in news stuff about Jamaica, whether there's anything entertainment or just regular news, check out Braga News Media. Anyway, I'm gonna head out and then make a vibe. You see me? Again, the food is just amazing. I don't think I'm gonna end this video here. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna go to another spot which is on my list actually, and I'm gonna show you guys that vibe. If you guys enjoy videos like these, just drop a like on the video, drop a comment, and let me know if you finally got the chance to come out to Streetlight Bar and Grill. Top notch food. This place always exceeds my expectation, just like my JPS bill. Alright guys, so before I head back into Kingston and leave Negril, I am inside of Patsy's right now. So I'm grabbing some ice cream and probably some coffee because it's kind of a contradiction. It's pretty hot, but I hear that the ice cream is good, which is a good thing. But maybe I might have some coffee because this is also very popular for that as well. So let's see what the vibe is before we leave. Alright, so I'm about to end my little Negril experience. All in all, it was pretty good being out here in Negril, but of course, talking to a couple of people, I did learn a few things that they're in the down period. You know, things are a little bit tougher, things are a little bit harder. And that being said, if you own a business on the stretch or anywhere in Jamaica, please always make sure that customer service is the top tier priority, because it can be the difference between someone ordering a vegan cup of ice cream versus something that they already know about. I do find sometimes when you ask people here to, like, you know, explain something for you because it might be your first time trying it, sometimes not everyone is, like, you know, upbeat and willing to, like, do, you know, their best in just promoting the brand. It might be just having a bad day. I have no clue at all. But all in all, I'm just here having some plantain bread and yeah, tastes like a banana bread except it's plantain, and just having some traditional ice cream. Maybe another time I'll try the vegan one, but for now I get ready to head back home, and it was fun doing this. It was very relaxing. Didn't do many videos because I really just wanted to be here and chill and just show you guys some clips of my experience. Anyway, here's two things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.